Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock this Cyan Roll Cake recipe in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the original roll cake recipe and blue sugar. You can buy these ingredients from NPC Doris, who only appears during rainy weather. And if you don't know how to find her yet, just check the tutorial link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And then next, just go to your stove and then just choose the original roll cake and then just change the sugar to blue sugar like this, and then next just tap on start cooking. And okay, like this you successfully unlock the cyan roll cake recipe. And when you cook it for the very first time, special animations will appear, but in here it doesn't appear because I already cooked it before. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.